ख्वाजा नाज़िमुद्दीन कौन है और इनके बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? ख्वाजा नाज़िमुद्दीन was born in 1894 in Dhaka, Bengal Presidency, British India. He belonged to the prominent Nawab family of Dhaka. Nazimuddin served as the second Governor General of Pakistan from 1948 to 1951. He became the second Prime Minister of Pakistan, serving from 1951 to 1953. Khwaja Nazimuddin was a close associate of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. He played a key role in the politics of Bengal before the creation of Pakistan. His tenure as Prime Minister saw significant political instability and challenges. Khwaja Nazimuddin was removed from office following the 1953 anti-Ahmadi riots in Pakistan. He was known for his conservative and moderate political views. Khwaja Nazimuddin died in 1964 in Karachi, Pakistan. Khwaja Nazimuddin, 1894 to 1964, was a prominent Pakistani politician and statesman. Born into the influential Nawab family of Dhaka in British India, he played a significant role in the politics of Bengal before the creation of Pakistan. A close associate of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Nazimuddin became the second Governor General of Pakistan after Jinnah's death in 1948. Later, he served as the country's second Prime Minister from 1951 to 1953. During his tenure, Nazimuddin faced several challenges, including political instability and communal tensions. His government struggled to maintain order during the anti-Ahmadi riots of 1953, which eventually led to his dismissal. Known for his conservative and moderate views, Nazimuddin was a respected leader who emphasized provincial autonomy and unity. After his removal from office, he remained active in politics but never returned to high office. Khwaja Nazimuddin passed away in 1964 in Karachi. He is remembered as an important figure in Pakistan's early political history. ख्वाजा नाज़िमुद्दीन 1894 में ढाका, बंगाल प्रेसिडेंसी, ब्रिटिश इंडिया में पैदा हुए। वो ढाका के मारूफ नवाब खानदान से ताल्लुक़ रखते थे। नाज़िमुद्दीन ने 1948 से 1951 तक पाकिस्तान के दूसरे गवर्नर जनरल के तौर पर खिदमात अंजाम दी। वो 1951 से 1953 तक पाकिस्तान के दूसरे वज़ीर आज़म भी रहे। ख्वाजा नाज़िमुद्दीन बानी पाकिस्तान मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह के करीबी साथी थे। पाकिस्तान के क़याम से कबल उन्होंने बंगाल की सियासत में अहम किरदार अदा किया। इनके दौरे वज़ारत-ए-उज़्मा में सियासी अदम इस्तेहकाम और कई चैलेंजेस का सामना रहा। 1953 के अहमदिया मुखालिफ फसादात के बाद उन्हें ओहदे से हटा दिया गया। ख्वाजा नाज़िमुद्दीन को क़िदामत पसंद और मोतदिल सियासी नज़रियात के हामिल रहनुमा के तौर पर जाना जाता है। ख्वाजा नाज़िमुद्दीन 1864 में कराची, पाकिस्तान में वफ़ात पा गए। मज़ीद दिलचस्प और मालूमाती वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि हर नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको फ़ौरन मिले। शुक्रिया।